Thank you for your interest in the model LO24s-86gal-G37. This ramp is intended for truck-to-ground applications, and it's good on most ground conditions. The ramp is 91 inches wide with 86.5 usable width, and it's approximately 39 feet 8 inches long. This ramp has a 9-foot 8-inch level off that allows for easy trailer access. The adjustable height of this ramp is 41 to 58 inches, and it's available in 24,000 pound, 34,000 pound, and 45,000 pound capacities. This ramp has a graded platform, which is great for areas that see a lot of snow or for cargo that has a lot of product spillage, like fruit. The galvanized metal platform also helps tremendously with rust prevention, allowing this ramp to last you for many years to come. Although the forklift attachment does not come standard with this particular model, it's highly recommended because it makes moving this around your facility a complete breeze. With all these features, the LO24s is an easy and reliable addition to any business. Please contact us for more information, or check out our website for other ramp models that we have available at tbc-ramps.com. Thank you.